Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will see how to cover a damaged wall to look beautiful, and also I'll show you how to decorate a corner wall of a house on a very low budget. So let's get started. The paint on this wall has come off and it looks terrible. We will cover it up. For this, I need self-adhesive wallpaper. Here I am using thick wallpaper of this kind. You can purchase them from a decorative shop or online. Just peel it off and stick it. Since I am covering only the bottom part of the wall, I am using thick wallpaper. If you want to cover the entire wall, you can use thin wallpaper. It's done now. This is the corner of my house that is very pale and dull. I am about to decorate this wall. I have some artificial leaf string and some artificial flowers that I use for this. Hold one corner of the string and stick it to the wall with cello tape like this. Continue to the end of the wall. Now let the rest of the string hang down like this. These flowers will be placed in the middle of the wall. I have already stuck some self-adhesive butterflies to the wall. You can use any decorative stickers you like. Wall decor is finished. Now let's go to the bottom of the wall. This is a grass mat. Let me put this here and place some indoor plants as well. Now let's have a final look. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming videos. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming videos.